Hello everyone, I'm Masood. Welcome to this video. I'm very excited to share another Python code challenge with you. So, if you're ready to start challenges of Python code, follow this video. What's output of Python code? This is code, and which one is correct? A, B, C, and D. So, you have 30 seconds to think about it. Let's do it now. Alright, let's see. Okay, option D is correct. So, let's check this code. Here we have a list called LSD, and in the next line, inside the parentheses, a set is made from the list. Look at this. The list is converted into a set. You know that set element should be unique, then set don't allow duplicate element. This makes a set useful for automatically remove duplicates for a list or other sequence. In the list, 2 and 9 were iterated twice. After that, a set was made from the list, and duplicates or iteration were automatically removed from the list. A set isn't a sequence in Python. The set on order, it means the element in a set have no specific order. You can't refer to element in a set by index. So you can see after you create a set from the list, the order of the set of the element changes because sets aren't sequences. It means the elements in the set don't have an index. Then a list is created from the set. Finally, we have a list here. In the next line, there is a slicing that we know. Slicing allows us to slice a sequence. We can do it on data types that are sequences. You know, it's a way to extract ranges of elements from sequence. Its notation is square brackets and colon. A start index, stop index. A start index include elements. A stop index exclude elements. In Python, index starts at 0 for sequences. It means that the first element in a list, tuple, string, or any other sequence is accessed with the index 0. Look at the list. Indexes of the list are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you know that is a way to extract ranges of elements from sequence. Here is no value in the start index. It means that start index is at 0 and stop index is 3. So indexes are from 0 to 3, which means that 0 is include and 3 is exclude. Then we'll have elements whose indexes are 0, 1, and 2, which will extract elements 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Okay, so option D is correct. In the next line, we'll extract the index from 0 to 4. So we write LSD brackets, and in the start index, don't write anything, and then colon and 5. You know, the stop index is exclude, or we can also write the follow code. Their output is the same. Let's see. Okay, If you want to have a list from 3 to the end, you can write the follow code. Look at this. Okay. And if you want to reverse a list or any other sequence, you put 2 colons and -1 in square brackets. Let's see. Okay. This code extracts all the elements in a list. It's like the LSD. Okay. And this code extracts an empty list. Okay. And following code extract a range of elements for a list or any other sequence. Look at these. Okay. You have another code challenge here. This is code. Which option do you think is correct? A, B, C, and D. Your time starts now. Okay, let's run it. You can see that option B is correct. As you can see, there's an if else. This is code. So, it's a conditional expression, also known as a ternary operator because it takes 3 operands. A condition, a result for if the condition is true, a result for if the condition is false. Here's the syntax. Value is true if condition, else value is false. Okay? And we can also write this code. You can see that the answers are the same in the both codes. Look at this. It's more Pythonic than the code below, but we see more programmers using this code. Here a is equal to 6, which means a isn't in the list. Then print this condition. Here we have the slicing. We talked about the slicing before this challenge. We have a minus at the stop index, which means the list will be sliced from the end. We have -2, it's sliced the last two elements that you see. If we have -1, it slices the last element. For -3, it slices the last 3 elements. And we have the first 3 elements in this example. Let's look at them. Okay. In the end, if we put a equal to 5, it will be in the list. Then our output will be all elements of the list. Look at this. Okay, I think it's enough for today, but I'm gonna share a series of videos on this channel but the purpose of the code challenge. I think it's useful because the sense of curiosity is aroused and helps to learn. In addition, I plan to create a video focused on data science. So, if you find the content of this channel useful, please support me by following and subscribing. Thank you for your support.